Good morning, sir. My name is Jinanda Prasad, second year biotechnology, and today I'm explaining about the topic is mechanism of enzymes. And what is meant by enzyme? It is producing a living organism by using a catalyst. That explained about the enzyme acts as a catalyst in the producing a pure living organism site in this nature. Mm. The mechanism of enzymes are enzymatic action. First of all, an enzyme attracts a in it substrate in its active site are catalyzed by the chemical reaction when an enzyme produces to formed and allows to the products of an enzyme are association. It means the separation of an enzyme surface. First of all, the combination of an enzyme formed by the substrate which is in the enzymatic action are differentiated to the substrate complex, and it has two substrates, and one enzyme is called as ternary complex, and one substrate and one enzyme called is combined as called as binary complex. The complexes are attracted by an enzyme in the active site in a modification of electrostatic or hydrophobic reaction in the enzymatic action. Most of the enzymes are attracted by the non-covalent bond, or because any of the physical properties of an chemical bond reactions, etc. And most of all, the enzymes are different types are attached to the substrates main substrates. More number of substrates are attracted to the enzyme that has differentiate in this mechanism. In this mechanism, the several types of enzymes are occur in the mechanism of enzymatic action. Step 1, the assumption of the two substrates S1 and S2 are binds towards the active site of an enzyme. It has happened, and the step 2 means the end product or products to form a production P1 and P2 products are occur in the enzymes, and those within the step 3, the products disassociate within the enzyme within the enzyme within the enzyme surface, releasing to the enzymatic action. It has happened. The enzyme uncharged molecule is the uncharged reaction molecule is happened, and the reaction and the additional substrate molecules are within the manner as per second in enzyme products. And in this the mechanism of an enzymes are chemical transformation occurs in the great interest. uh, and in general the two types of enzymatic mechanisms that are uh, covalent bond reaction or non-covalent bond reaction. In chemical nature, the bond the covalent bond the covalent bond one is in between the covalent intermediate bond forms in which manner. mm, in this in this mechanism, which the covalent intermediate with a chemical bond between the two substrates are formed. Mainly one substrate has formed Bx from the covalent bond. In example, reacts with the chemical nature of covalent bond. It forms an in the form of enzymatic action, and the other one is the non-covalent or covalent bond intermediate reaction involves in other one, that is it reacts with r x r y sorry by r and x. In this nature, the covalent intermediate reaction explains in the enzyme mechanism of an enzyme. The main compound, it means intermediate compounds uh, reacts with by, and means non-covalent intermediate reaction. It's happened by this in enzyme mechanism and enzymatic reaction. uh, the living organism produces energy by the use of or catalyst by the use of an enzyme. The mechanism of an enzyme. And in this chemical nature of an enzyme, the covalent intermediate between a part of a substrate and a enzyme are involved enzymatic reactions and various amino acids, cysteine, serine, glutamine, and other acids are involved in the mechanism of an enzyme. And the covalent bond intermediate reaction is happened in the reaction. Thank you, sir, for giving me this great opportunity.